Hi everyone, come this 25th and 26th July, for the very first time in Singapore, Virtual Property Expo, brought to you by PropNext. We have lined up many speakers, not only a basic understanding of the real estate market, in-depth analysis of the real estate market and the current trend. We also have lawyers, bankers, to give you a complete picture and an understanding. Is this the right time to invest, or should one wait and hold? We will showcase huge number of resale properties, landed properties, and as well as auction properties during the 2 days, and many new launches as well. Developers are bringing in some exclusive projects, star buys, all for the benefit of anyone who come during the 2 days to be empowered in terms of real estate knowledge and as well as to pick good buys. Don't miss this opportunity, 25th and 26th July. What else? We have also added lucky draws throughout the 2 days. Viewers can come in and pick topics that you are interested. You need not be glued to or tune in throughout the 2 days. You select topics that interest you, be it public housing, private housing, or investment properties, and you can have huge takeaway and invest right. Looking forward to see each and every one of you. Tune in 25th and 26th July, Virtual Property Expo, brought to you by PropNext.